Go ahead.
And our very last question is, how does the team handle unexpected changes in project scope and requirements?
All right, so this is a great question. So it depends. If we have a production life cycle, and we have a development life cycle. So our production life cycle is we have anytime anything come from the business and it's a high priority ticket, it is coming from the network team, it is coming from the tier 1, tier 2, and if it is coming to us, if it is a high priority project, we actually stop working on other the user story or the ticket. We actually work on this. Of course, we go to the meeting, we understand the nature of the issues, we look for the data, and we can reproduce that same thing on our end. And then actually we start working on it. We find out it is the large teamwork. It is not the one person. So that's actually the team, our process is. We actually, the focus on the things need to be done, and the bug need to stop so that our business and our end clients has the less effect on the bug we raised. That's our end goal. We have the diligence, the analysis, why this happened, where we can improve, and who actually missed it. Do we have a loophole in our process? Do we have anything gap in our testing approach? Do you have anything gap in our development approach? Do you have anything gap in the DevOps implementation approach? So that's also part of our process that we anytime the high priority bug, the cause on our end. So entire diligence things takes place, but we do it, and we actually based on the outcome, we actually improve as we go. In the development side, it is very internal. If a bug is raised, we have an internal chat, we have a communication, we have one-on-one. Everybody works their way. Some developer works one-on-one, some developer works through the email, some developer works with the meeting calendar, some developer works through the chat group. So based on the nature of each of the developer, like the standard working standard, I just follow that, or we just follow that. But if a bug is raised, the QA team actually complete their testing, create a bug. They have to do the reproduce in the different environment, in the different browser, different machine, the different settings. They have to do all of this. They have to add all of the details in their bug, and they have to create a bug. That's the nature. Once they create the bug, there is a bug triage meeting happen. In this, if someone, means the development team or the product manager, has any questions, anyway, the person who has created the bug, they have to explain the details of, or if there is not enough data in the bug and the request from the product manager, the backend team or the developer team, you have to create more, you have to add more information there. Once all this is done, if this bug is accepted and prioritized, sometimes bug get fixed immediately because this is actually the bug based on the current user story. Sometimes we actually the bug create the requirement loophole, or it will be another user story that we have to create. And once we create the new user story, that is prioritized by the business and the product manager, scrum master, and then it is actually estimated in the sprint planning, and then we actually follow the journey. Did I answer your question?
Yes, you did.
Thank you.